Hello everyone. Namaste. Welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. Most of you know me, so there's no point of me introducing myself. Let's go back on our mats. Just like every class, we will now practice rabbit's pose, Shashank Asana. Okay. For this, you will keep your knees together in your Vajrasana. तो आप वज्रासना में ये पोज स्टार्ट करेंगे. अगर आपको वज्रासना मुश्किल लगता है, आप आपके हिप्स के अंडर इस ब्लॉक को प्लेस कर सकते हैं. Or if not a block, a cushion. Okay. From there, you just have to gently lower down your head like how you do in your child's pose, but you have to lift your hip also. Meaning, आप gently हेड को इस तरीके से नीचे प्लेस करेंगे बाय टकिंग द चिन. एक बार मुझे ध्यान से देख लीजिए. एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू विल स्टार्ट पिकिंग अप द हिप. सो दिस. नाउ इफ यू वांट यू कैन आल्सो प्लेस योर हैंड्स हियर or you could also place your hands here. See what suits you. Make sure कि आपका नेक यहाँ या यहाँ इस तरीके से ना हो. The flat part of your head, this center part should go down. So this and this should not happen. If you feel any kind of strain in your neck, come back, fix it and do it again. Try not to continue the practice if you feel there's a lot of pain happening in your neck. We never want to do the yoga practice that way. We first want to be safe with our body and then we want to try the other things. Let's try it twice. Everyone, we go to a Vajrasana. You can just put your head down like how you do in your child's pose. And then gently you can shift your weight forward by placing the flat part of the head down. हाथों को इस तरीके से नीचे रख सकते हैं या बैक के पीछे इंटरलॉक कर सकते हैं. Whatever you feel is good for you. We stay there. 5 deep breaths. 4. हाथों को एक्टिव रखना है. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Rest easy. Take a short break. Breathe. This is a mild inversion, by the way. Okay. Inversions in yoga are any set of poses wherein the heart goes above the head. So right now my heart is placed below the head. Inversion is any posture where the heart goes above the head. So if you notice, here also I'm slightly going upside down, so my heart goes above the head. Hence, this becomes an inversions. Inversions are great for us to stimulate the circulatory system, the lymphatic system, to keep the body healthy internally, externally. With that, let's practice it once more, everyone. Let's go to our child's pose. And we gently shift our weight forward, placing the flat part of the head down, hands down. We stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Rest, take a minute, good job, breathe. This is a mini inversion, okay? This is a very beginner friendly posture, excellent for us to start our inversions practice with. So if you are a beginner or if you're an elderly person and you feel inversions are too much for the body, you can start with these mild postures. Okay, you can practice everything in yoga as long as you're doing the right variation of it. With that, let's watch the next asana that we're practicing. This actually is a combination of 2 asanas that I will ask you to do together. We'll first go in our Adho Mukho Svanasana and then in our Falakasana. Meaning, you will push back, you will go to your downward facing dog first. And staying here for 3 counts, you shift to your plank. And we will do it 3 times for 2 sets. Okay, simple. Everyone, put the knees down, hands down in your all fours. Curl your toes, breathe in and breathe out. Push back in your downward facing dog. Stay there, everyone. Hold. Keep pushing the shoulders away from the floor. Heels down, hands shoulder width. And gently let's shift forward in a plank. This time get the hip down, shoulders above the hands. Stay. And exhale. Downward facing dog. Again, heels down, arms straight, looking towards your navel. Inhale, shift forward, plank, hold. One last time, we shift back, downward dog, and shift forward. Inhale, plank, and we relax. Put the knees down, take a short break, relax everyone, rest. So this again is a great strength builder, and your downward dog is by the way also an inversion, because if you notice your heart goes above your head in your Adho Mukha Svanasana. So जब आप इस तरीके से अपने योगा postures को approach करेंगे, आपको realize होगा that inversions are not just headstands or handstands, but simple postures like Shashankasana or your Adho Mukha Svanasana. These are also inversions. Let's practice it once more, the same sequence 3 times. With me, everyone. Downward facing dog. Hold. Shift forward. Plank. Hold. Downward dog. Hold. Shift forward. Plank. Hold. One last time. Downward dog. Hold. Shift forward. Plank. Hold. And everyone, relax, rest, easy. Good job. Breathe. Rest it out. Amazing. Take a moment. Get your breath back. If you feel a little tired today, it is okay. As I said, today's class is all about strength, so you can feel light within. Okay, that's the goal of the practice. So for that, we will have to work hard. We will have to work a little extra for you to reach that stage where the body feels as light as a feather. Okay. I will now sign off. I will see you next class with the same energy, with the same spirit, with the same smile on your face. Till then, make sure to keep your posture up, spine erect, and always, always staying grateful. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.